Hi, I'm Ken Walsh. I'm a construction sales and key account manager for FJS plant. We are full-line dealers for Kubota in Leinster, Ireland. We wanted to work with Kubota because it's #1 selling mini digger in Europe, and here at FJS we wanted to supply a robust, durable machine to the Irish market. We feel that Kubota sets itself apart from other manufacturers with its reliability and resale value, which is critical to our end users. The 3 words we would use to describe Kubota is durable, reliable and powerful. I feel this is what makes Kubota a premium product. Kubota have helped our business grow and evolve because in the last 9 years we've gone from being just a construction dealer to a Kubota full-line dealer, making us the first Kubota full-line dealer in the Republic of Ireland. Some of the key benefits of Kubota machines for operators is reliability with very little downtime, operator visibility and a very good backup service from FJS. My advice to other businesses looking to partner with Kubota is go for it. With their range of products, knowledge and experience in the industry, they're going from strength to strength. The future of our business working alongside Kubota is exciting. In general, our business has seen the benefits of being with Kubota, from technical training and after sales, which is second to none. We have grown our business through our strong service division and knowledge of the market. With our new premises under construction at present in Naas, we will have a dedicated Kubota premises for all our construction, agri and ground care needs.